Email marketing stands as one of the most effective tools for lead generation, thanks to its direct reach and personalized touch. By crafting well-thought-out email campaigns, businesses can connect with their audience in a meaningful way, cultivating trust and encouraging engagement. A strategically designed email marketing plan allows companies to track user behavior, segment audiences, and deliver tailored content that resonates with potential leads, ultimately driving higher conversion rates. Remember, the key is not just in sending out emails, but in ensuring that each message is relevant, valuable, and compelling to your target audience. Building a quality email list is crucial for effective email marketing. A robust email list comprised of engaged and interested subscribers can significantly boost your lead generation efforts. To attract subscribers, use lead magnets such as ebooks, free trials, or exclusive content that provide value. Incorporating sign-up forms on your website and blog can also help collect email addresses. Additionally, leveraging social media platforms to promote your sign-up incentives can widen your reach and attract more potential leads. The key is to ensure that the subscribers you attract are genuinely interested in your offerings, leading to higher engagement and conversions. Creating compelling and relevant content is essential for successful email marketing. Your content must resonate with your audience to keep them engaged and interested. Personalization is key. Tailor your emails to address the specific needs and interests of your recipients. Clearly define your value propositions, highlighting the unique benefits they will receive from your offerings. Effective call to actions, CTAs, are crucial as well, guiding your readers to the next steps you want them to take. Combining these elements ensures that your emails are not only opened, but also drive meaningful interactions and conversions. Segmenting your email list is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of your lead generation efforts. By dividing your list into specific groups based on criteria such as demographics, behavior, and past interactions, you can tailor your messages to meet the unique needs of each segment. This personalized approach increases the relevance of your emails, making them more likely to engage recipients. Different segmentation strategies include targeting by age, location, purchase history, or engagement level. Tailoring your messages to these segments ensures that your content is highly relevant, thereby increasing open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately, conversions. Analyzing your email marketing performance is vital for continuous improvement and achieving better results. Key metrics to track include open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates. These metrics provide insight into how well your emails are performing and where improvements are needed. Implementing A/B testing allows you to compare different versions of your emails to see which performs better, helping refine your strategies. Continuous optimization is crucial. Regularly review and adjust your campaigns based on performance data to ensure they remain effective and engaging. This ongoing process helps maximize your lead generation efforts.